Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, today in this session we discuss the solution of class 7 mathematics half yearly question paper 2024-25 of DAV Public School Rajabaghicha Cuttack. We try to solve all the questions within 1 hour 30 minutes. So let us start the session. So after see the solution, then you can comment your expected score. You also check out my video. Okay, from this video you can see the direct questions. Okay, so first go to the question. There are the 5 sections are there: section I, 2I, 3I, IB and B. In I, that is 1 mark questions, 2I case based questions, then 3I, that is 2 mark, and the IB is 3 mark, then B is 5 marks. Okay, so let's first question. Every integer is a rational number with denominator, that is 1. How? Now we know that integer is represented by z, that is all the whole number, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. But 1, 2, 3 are natural number, means 0, 1, 2, 3 are whole number with negative number, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 are called integer. Then tell me what is rational number. Now rational number means all the number in the form of the p by q, and q is not equal to 0. So tell me the denominator, what is the, suppose tell me minus 12. So what is the denominator of minus 12? Now nothing means 1. Suppose minus 1, same 1. So denominator always be 1 of every integer. So answer is 1. So the number of the rational number lying between minus 8 and minus 20 uncountable, because rational number between any two rational number is many or infinitely many or uncountable. We cannot count. So this question directly repeated from my video. So next question, the number that should be added, okay, minus 3 by 9, suppose this number is x, equal to identity element of multiplication. Tricky questions. Okay, so tell me what is the identity element of the multiplication, that is 1. So means 1. Okay, so tell me x equal to how much? Now 1 plus 3 by 9. So take LCM, that is 9. 9 plus 3, so 12 by 9. So cancel 3 4 ja, 3 3 ja, 4 by 3 or 12 by 9. 12 by 9. Option number B is the correct answer. Next question, the value of x. This question, this type of question will repeat from my video. So the value of x, where x equal to given, that is 0.25 plus 1.5. First we solve, that is 5, 0, 5, 5 to 7, then 1, that is 1.75. How to solve? Now first write down 0.25, then write down 1.5. Now here is 0. Now addition 5, 7, 1 minus 0.32. Simply subtraction 0.32. 5 minus 2, 3. Okay, then 7 minus 3, 4. Then 1 minus 0, 1. So answer is 1.43. Option number D is the correct answer. Okay, next question, P is given, R is given, T given, find the SI. So SI formula is PTR by 100. So write down P, that is 1000, R, that is 20, T equal to 2 divided by 100, 00 cancel, 2 2 ja 4, 00, that is 400. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, now the percentage of the prime number, this question directly repeated from my video. The percentage of prime number from 1 to 10. So tell me how many prime number from 1 to 10. Now there is, that is first one is 2, second one is 3, third one is 5, then 7. Yes or no? So 1 2 3 4. So 4 divided by total how many numbers? Now 1 2 3 4 5 10. So write down 10 into 100, because when we find the percentage, then we multiply 100. So 10 10 ja 100, 10 4 ja 40. So answer is 40%. Okay, next question, if x plus 5 plus 1 equal to 1 by 15. These questions also repeat. So x by 15 plus 1 equal to 1 by 15. So tell me x by 5 equal to 1 by 15 minus 1. Yes or no? So take LCM as 15, 1 minus 15, that is minus 14 by 15. So answer is x equal to minus 14 by 15. Here is 5 is division, then it will be multiply. So 5 3 ja minus 14 by 3. Answer is minus 14 by 3. Next question. The point of concurrence of the median directly repeated. Yes or no? So this is answer is centroid. If the question is altitude, the answer is orthocenter. In-center means that is angle bisector. Circumcenter means this is perpendicular bisector or side bisector. Next question, question number 9. If one angle of a triangle is given, okay, suppose this is triangle, one angle suppose 120. So tell me the other angles are equal. Suppose this is x and x. We know that sum of the three angle is 180 degree. So 120 plus xx 2x equal to 180 degree. So tell me 2x equal to 180 degree minus 120, that is 60 degree. So x how much? 30 degree, because 60 by 2 30. So answer is 30 30. 30 30. Option number D is the correct answer. Next question. The observation that occur maximum number of time, that is mode. Okay. Mean means sum of the number divided by total number. What is range? Range means highest minus lowest. Okay. Median means first we arrange, then if n the odd, then n plus 1 by 2 median. If n is even, then n by 2 plus n plus 1, or n by 2 plus 1 by 2. Okay. Means the answer is option number C is the correct answer. Understand? Now next question, question number 11, assertion reasoning. Okay, a number is increased by 20% and decreased by 20%, the final will be remain unchanged? No. So this is false, because the formula is increase means plus 20, decrease means minus 20, minus 20 into 20 by 100. Actual formula is A plus B plus AB by 100. So tell me 20 cancel, minus 400 by 100, that is 4, means 4% decrease. So answer is 4% decrease, but the question is will remain unchanged. Unchanged means this one is false. Second question, so the reason. The effect of the percent increase followed by the same percentage decrease, okay, then there is a decrease. Yes, decrease, that is 4%. So this is correct, reason is correct. So option number A is false, R is true. A is false, R is true. The option number C is the correct answer. Okay. Now next question. A triangle cannot be formed with the sides 3, 7, 3. Okay. So check out. Sum of the two sides, that is 3 plus 7 is greater than 3. Yes, satisfy. Then 3 plus 3 is greater than 7. No, is less than 7. Not satisfy. That's why A is false. Okay. Sorry, a triangle cannot be formed. So true. Cannot. Okay. Now the sum of the length of the any two sides of a triangle must be less than the third side. No, greater than. So this one is false. So option number A is true, assertion is true, and reason is incorrect. Option number C. Okay. Next question. A survey was conducted by the NGO on the child education in the district Mayurbhanj, and it was found that there were 5,20,000 girls and 6,60,000 boys. Out of these, 3/4 of the girls are literate. 3/4 into the number of girls are 5,20,000. So tell me number of girl literate, that is 4 13 ja 52 0 0 0 0. So 13 3 ja 39 0 0 0 0 means 3,90,000 are literate girls. So tell me total number of illiterate girl. Illiterate girl means that is minus. So total is 5,20,000 minus 3,90,000. So 0 0 0 0 2 9 12 9 3 4 1. So 13 1,30,000. So option number 2 is the correct answer. Understand? Next question. The total number of illiterate boy. So literate is 5 by 6. Simply we can solve by the another method, that is the literate means literate is 5 by 6. So tell me illiterate means 1 minus 5 by 6, yes or no? So that is 6 minus 5 is 1 by 6. So find out only 1 by 6 into number of the boys are 6,60,000. So 6 11 ja. So 11 where is 11? 1,10,000. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Or simply you can solve by the first type. First you find the 5 by 6 of the total, that is 6,640. Then find the subtract. Okay. Now find the total number of illiterate children in the district. Illiterate children means boy plus girls. Okay. So tell me girls is 130,000 and the boy are 110,000. So simply addition. So 0,000,042. So answer is 2,40,000. Or find the total cost of the educational kit provided by the NGO. They provide some educational kit worth 120 to 1/10 of the remaining illiterate girl children to promote the educational drive. Okay. Find the total cost of the educational kit provided by the NGO. So 1/10 of the remaining illiterate. So tell me remaining illiterate girls means 130,000 by 1,30,000 into 1/10, that is 13,000 student, and each kit price is 120. So multiply, that is 12 into 13, 130, then 12, 13 2 ja 26, then 6 5 156 means 156. How many 0? 40. Okay, this rupees. Okay. Next question. A survey. Okay. Next question is, a man is a avid reader. Okay, this question directly repeat from my video. Okay, already solved these questions. How to solve? The total, he read a book of 300 pages. Okay, and 4 days, and the number of the pages read on the second, third, fourth. Suppose day 1 he read x, and the second day is x by 2, and the third day is half na x by 4, and the fourth is x by 8. So sum of this equal to how much? 300. So x plus x by 2 plus x by 4 plus x by 8 equal to 300. So now take LCM as 8. So 8x plus 4x plus 2x plus x equal to 300. So 8 plus 4 12, 3 15. So 15x by 8 equal to 300. So tell me x how much? 300 into 8 by 15. So 15 2 ja 20, 8 2 ja 16. 8 2 ja 16 means x equal to 60. The question is, find the number of the pages he read on the second. The first day is 160. The second day is half, that is x by 2, that is 80. So answer is option number I is the correct answer. Okay. Next, find the number of the pages he read on the fourth day. Okay, the first day is 160, second day is 80, third day is 80, half is 40, then 20. The fourth day is he read 40 pages. Sorry, 20 pages. Answer is 2i. Find the number of the pages he read on the first day, that is 160. The total pages he read in the first 2 days. The first day is 160 and the second day is 80. The total is 0, 8, 6, 14, carry 1, 2. That is 240 pages. Okay. So next question. Find x such that the rational number 9 by minus 5 and x by 10 are equivalent. Okay. Means we should find the x. So we can write 9 by minus 5 equal to x by 10 because equivalent. That implies minus 5 into x equal to 9 into 10. Yes or no? So x equal to 9 into 10 divided by minus 5. 5 2 ja, that is minus 18. So x equal to minus 18. So next question, question number 16. Represent 11 by 4 on number line. First draw a number line. Suppose this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. First you solve 11 by 4 equal to 4 3, 4 2 ja 8, 3 by 4 means after 2. So after 2 and 3 you divide, the denominator is 4. 4 means we draw 3 line, 1, 2, 3. The third point means first, second, third. This point is 11 by 4. Or you can solve the other method. How to solve? Now first we draw a number line. This is 0. So tell me what is the denominator 4? Means first draw 3 points, sorry 3 line. 1, 2, 3. Then the big one, that is 1. Similarly 1, 2, 3. Then big one, that is 2. 1, 2, 3. Then big one, that is 3. 1, 2, 3. Big one, that is 4. Okay. So tell me the numerator is 11. So count from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Answer. Okay. Next question. The question is arrange the following the rational number in the ascending order. Okay. Ascending order means first we convert standard form, that is minus 3 by 4. This questions also repeat minus 3 by 4 and this will be 5 by 12. This will be minus 7 by 16. Now LCM of 4, 12 and 16, that is, find out 4, 12, 16. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja, 4 4 ja, 48. So LCM is 48. So now write down minus 3 by 4 into 12 into 12, because when we multiply 4 into 12, that is 48. Here is minus 36. The second one is 5 by 12 into 3 into 3, sorry 4, that is 20 by 48. The third one is 7 into 2, sorry 3, 16 into 3, that is minus 21 divided by 48. Now denominator are equal. Now check which one is smallest. Now the smallest is negative, that is minus 36 by 48 less than minus 21 by 48 less than 20 by 48. Now write the original number in place of this. That is minus 36 by 48 is minus 3 by 4. This one is minus 7 by 16. This one is minus 5 by minus 12. Answer. Okay. So coming to next question. Compare the rational number. Okay. The first question is minus 4 by 9 absolute value and 3 by minus 8 absolute value. So what is the absolute value means? We write the only the number except sign, that is 4 by 9. Here is 3 by 8. First we multiply, cross multiply 4 into 8, that is 32. Then 9 into 3, that is 27. So which one is greater? The first one. So answer is 4/9 greater than 3/8. Okay. Next question. Question number 18. A potato seller sells 70% of the total potatoes and still have 150 kg potato left. Okay. Then find the weight of the potato he are selling. So write down percentage of potato left equal to 100 minus 70, that is 30%. Yes or no? So now according to questions we can write 30% of total, suppose x, so let total potato bx equal to 150. So 30 divided by 100 into x equal to 150 kg. So x equal to 150 into 100 by 30. So 0 0 cancel, 3 5 ja, that is 500 kg. Means they have, find the weight of the potato he had before selling. So before selling he had 500 kg potato. Understand? Next question. 150 has been divided into two parts. Okay, suppose this is 150. When we divided into two parts, suppose this is first part, this is the second part. Two parts such that the twice of the first part, okay, must be equal to the second part, that is 2i. So let first part be x. So tell me second part. Let the first part according to question. Okay, we can write the first part is x and the second part is y, or we can write okay y. So now we can write according to questions the first part, that is 2x is equal to y. Yes or no? Means we can write, or simply you can write the first part is I and the second part is 2i, and we can write 2i is equal to, 2i equal to second part, or 2 into first part equal to second part, or first part divided by second part is equal to, or simply we can write first part plus second part is equal to how much? Now 150. So in place first part we can write first part plus second part we can write 2i. Okay, so equal to 150, or simply you can take x. Suppose this is x, here is y, so we can write 2x equal to y. So we know that according to questions 150 divided into two part means sum of the two parts equal to must be equal to 150. So first part plus second part is equal to 150. First part, that is x, or you can write x plus y equal to 150. Then y means 2x, so x plus 2x equal to 150. So tell me 3x equal to 150. Now x equal to 150 divided by 3, that is 50. Okay, means the first part is 50. So tell me the second part. So second part is 2 into x, that is 2 into 50 equal to 100. So first part is 50, second part is 100. So now addition 50 plus 100, that is 150. yes, satisfy, means our answer is correct. Okay, find the two part. The first part is 50 and the second part is 100. Next question. A number is 2 by 3 times of the another number. Okay, suppose the number and the sum is given, find the two number. Okay, a number, suppose a number is x equal to 2 by 3 times of the another number mane karo suppose y. So let one number equal to x, other number be y. So this is according to questions. Okay, so sum of there is 180. So we can also write x plus y is equal to 70. So in place x we can write 2 by 3y, yes or no, plus y equal to 70. So now take LCM 3, that is 2y plus 3y equal to 70. Now 5y divided by 3 equal to 70, y equal to 70 into 3 by 5, 5 14 ja, 14 3 ja 42. So answer is y equal to 42, means other number is 42. Tell me the first number. So one number equal to x, that is 2 by 3 into y, that is 2 by 3 into y equal to 42. 3 14 ja, 14 2 ja 28. So answer is 28. The first number is 28 and the second number is 42. Next question. A number, solve the equation. Okay, how to solve? Now first we multiply 24 3 ja, these questions will repeat. So 2.4 into 3, that is 7.2, minus 2.4 minus 12, 1.2x, minus minus plus 6 3 ja 18, plus 5.4 equal to 0. So now arrange, that is 2.4x. okay, now arrange 2.4x, here same sign means addition. So minus 12 24, that is 36, means 3.6x equal to, plus 7.2 will be added, that is 4 2 6 14 carry 1 2 5 7 7 14 144 equal to 0. So we can write 3.6x or minus equal to minus 14.4. So x equal to 14.4 by 3.6, minus cancel, and then 12 3 ja, then 12 ja 1.2. So here it will be 12 by 10, or it is 10 by 3. So 10 cancel, 3 4 ja. So answer is 4. Okay, this question directly repeated from my video, then you can check out. So next question. In the given figure, the sides B, C, CA, same questions also solve in my video. So question number 21. So how to solve? In the given figure, BC and CA and BA of a triangle ABC have been produced a D. Okay, so this angle must be equal to 45 because vertically opposite angle. So we can write BAC is equal to 45 degree bracket vertically opposite angle. Okay, now we find ABC. Okay, ABC means this angle. So we know that in triangle ABC, ACD, that is exterior angle, must be equal to ABC plus BAC, yes or no? So ACB, that is 105 equal to ABC. So write down ABC plus 45 degree. So now ABC equal to 105 minus 45. Now minus 0, 6, that is 60 degree. Okay. Next question. In the given figure, the height in the centimeter of the 10 students are given. Find the median of the data. Okay. Median means first we arrange the either ascending or descending order. Okay. First arrange. The smallest one is 45. Yes, 45. 145. The second one is 48. 148. Then 149. Then fourth is 150. Then 151. Then 152. 154. 155. 165. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, complete. So now check how many numbers are there. 10. So write down median means the first is n by 2 because n is all even. So n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. So tell me 10 by 2, that is 5th term, plus 6th term by 2. So tell me which one is 5th term. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, that is 151 plus 152 divided by 2, that is 213 carry 1, 10 11 carry 1, 3 by 2, that is 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 2 5 ja. So answer is 156.5. Complete. Next question. Verify. Okay, 3 mark questions. How to verify? Now first write down LHS. Okay, so this type questions also we cover in my video. So how to solve? Now first we write down x plus y. So simply add 5 plus 3 by 2. Take LCM 2, that is 2 5 ja 10 plus 3, 13 by 2. Similarly RHS. Y plus x, that is 3 by 2 plus 5. LCM is 2, 3 plus 10, that is 13 by 2. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, proved or verified. Understand? Next question. By taking this, verify. Same LHS, left hand side, that is x minus y. So put the value minus 5 by 3 minus 2 by 7. Take LCM as 21. 3 7 ja, that is 35. 7 3 ja 6. Same sign means addition, that is minus 41 by 21. Similarly RHS, y minus x. So put the value 2 by 7 minus 5 by 3. Take LCM, that is 21. 3 2 ja 6 minus 35. It will be 6 plus 35 by 21, that is 41 by 21. Okay, so LHS and RHS are not equal to. Verified. These questions I hope I solve in my video. Check out. Next question. Question number 24. Find the 3 rational number between 1 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. Okay. A type of questions mu already cover karichi. Yes or no? So how to solve? Now 1 and minus 3 by 4, the in remaining, suppose this is number line. This is minus 7. This is 0. So tell me between we can write minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 2, 1. Yes or no? Similarly here we can write minus 2 by 4, minus 1 by 4, 0 by 4. These are the 3 rational number between these. Yes or no? So next question, simplify and express the result as decimal. Okay, so write down 1.44 into, first divide 144 divided by 12, that is 12 minus 0.225 plus, these questions directly repeat questions, okay, all the data are same, plus 3.276. So 12 means 1728, that is 17.28, because when we multiply 144 by 12, the answer is 1728. Minus, how I remember na, because we know cube, okay, in 8th class you learn about cube. 12 cube is 1728, okay, and 11 cube is 1331. So next question, 0.225 plus 3.276. First we addition, then subtraction. So add 3.276, this is 0, 6, 15 carry 1, 5 carry 1, 2, that is 21.556 minus 0.225, 0.225, 13312, that is 21.331 answer. Understand? So next question, Nitesh sold a bicycle at 8% gain. Okay, so let's suppose CP of bicycle equal to X. So we can write, according to questions, 8% gain means the SP is CP, that is X, into 100 plus profit, that is 100 plus 8, 108 divided by 100, plus when we add 75 rupees, then it will be equal to, the SP equal to X into profit 14% means 114 by 100. Now solve. This is 108 by 100x plus 75 equal to 114x by 100. Now 75 equal to 114 by 100x minus 108 by 100x. Now subtract, that is 114, because here is 100, 114 minus 108, that is 6, means 6x. So that implies x equal to 75 into 100 by 6. So 2 50 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 25. So 25 5 ja, 125 0. So answer is 1250. Okay, so cost price is 1250. Next question, these questions directly repeat, okay, and are important. So how to solve? Now first draw a triangle ABC and draw a point inside, that is O, then AO, OB and OC. So write down, in triangle AOB we can write OA plus OB must be greater than AB, because sum of the two sides of a triangle must be greater than the third side. So similarly here, suppose 1, this is triangle inequality, okay. So similarly we can write, in triangle BOC, that is OB plus OC greater than BC, this is equation 2. Similarly in triangle COA, that is OC plus OA must be greater than AC. So this is equation 3. Now adding equation 1, 2, 3. So adding equation 1, 2 and 3 means left side will be added. The first equation left side is OAOB. So write down OAOB. Second one left side is OBOC, then OCOA. Greater than, the first is, right side of the first equation is ABBCAC. 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 Okay. So here there are 2 OA, 2 OB, 2 OC are there. So we can write 2 OA, 2 OB and 2 OC greater than AB, BC and AC. Now take common as 2, that is OA, OB and OC greater than AB plus BC plus AC. Okay, now proved, verified. Okay, next question. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stands with plain ground. If the distance between their feet are given, find the distance between the tops. Okay, these questions already solved in previous video. So how to solve? Now first write down. Suppose two poles are there. This is one pole, this is 11, this is another pole, this is 6 meter, and their feet is how much? Now feet is 12 meter. Okay, 12 meter, 11. Question is find the distance between top. Okay, so suppose this is AB, this is CD. Suppose we draw a perpendicular distance from C to M. So now tell me, MC must be equal to 12 meter. Yes or no? So we can write MC is equal to 12 meter. So this is 90 degree. So we can write AM is must be equal to AB minus CD, that is 11 meter minus 6 meter, that is 5 meter, means this one is 5 meter. So in triangle AMC we can write by Pythagoras theorem AC square equal to AM square plus MC square. AC square equal to AM, that is 5 square plus 12 square, 25 plus 144, that is 169. So therefore AC equal to 13, because 169 equal to 13 square, so square cancel, AC equal to 13. Understand? So the question is find the distance. Yes, so AC equal to 13 meter, means distance between their pole is 13 meter. So next question. A pole broke at a point but did not separate. Same question. Suppose this is pole broke at a point. Suppose this point he broke and this is the other part, but broken part touch in the ground, and distance from the 5 meter, this is 5 meter. Then if the point where the broke at the height 12 meter, means this is 12 meter. Question is what is the total height of the pole? Okay, so first we find this part. How to find? By Pythagoras theorem, because this part is 12 square plus 5 square same 13, it will be 13 meter. So 13 plus 12, because when we added 13 plus 12 we find the total height of the pole, or total height of the pole. So that is 12 plus 13, that is 25 meter, means total height of the pole is 25 meter. Similarly solve in this method. So next question. Question number 29 already solved. So how to solve? Now first write down mean of 36 observation equal to 12. Now find the sum of number. Sum of 36 observation equal to multiply, that is mean into number. So 12 into 36. So multiply 36 into 12. So 72, then 36. 2, 13, 4. That is 432. So now, according to question, we can write the mean is given. That is, sorry, one observation 47 was mislead. Okay, mislead means the mean equal to, so total is 432. Mislead which number? The 47 mislead as 74, means first we subtract 74 because 74 is wrong. The correct is 47, so added correct, that is 47 divided by total number is 36. Okay, so now 432 minus 74, first we added this number 7 to 9, 7 4 minus 74 divided by 36. Now 9 minus 5, 4 minus 5, 7 minus 7, 0, 4 divided by 36. So 9 4 ja 36, 45, 9 5 ja 9, 9 4 ja 36, 9 5 ja 45. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 0 ja 4, sorry 4 1 ja 4, point, okay, point, here is 4 1 ja 4 1, 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja. So answer is 11.25. Okay. Next question. The following data show the given student different club of the school. Draw the bar graph. Okay. So how to draw the bar graph? Now first we draw x-axis and y-axis. Now in y-axis we draw, here is 50, 70, means 10. So here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we can write scale y-axis, on y-axis 1 unit equal to 10 student. So here you can write number of student. So here we can write school club. So now music club is 60. So draw 60, a rectangular bar. Write down music club. Next is drama club 40. तो गोटे स्किप करके लिखो 40, that is drama club. Next one 70. This one is 70. Math club. Drawing club is 50. Okay, this is the. So next question. These questions direct question copy paste. So how to solve? We can write 6 by 110 because after decimal 1 digit, so 6 by 10 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 1000 by 1 by 10, 10 into 1 by 1000. So cancel, 0 0 cancel. The remaining is 6 into 6 into 6 divided by 10 into 100 into 1000 into 1000 by 1. So 1000 cancel. Now minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. The answer is rational number. Okay. So 216 divided by, or cancel out, 2 3 ja 2 5 ja, 2 3 ja 2 50 ja, 2 3 ja 2 25 ja. So 3393 ja 27 divided by 125 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Now take LCM, that is 1025, 8 ja 8 into 27, 4 125, sorry 250 into 1 ja plus 5 into, sorry 1 into 200. Now addition, 216 minus 250 plus 200 by 1000. Now 2 to 416 minus 250 by 1000. So now minus, that is 6, 11, 6, here is 3, 3 minus 2, 1 by 1000. So 2 8 ja 2 3 ja 2 5 ja 0 0. So answer is 83 by 500. Okay. Next question. Find the decimal representation. Okay. Minus 12 by 25. Then we multiply 4 with both sides, numerator and denominator. We get minus 48 by 100. Now convert. Minus 0.48. Next question. A man bought cardboard sheet of this. So CP of cardboard. This is also direct question, repeat question. Same value, all the data repeat, all the data are same. CP equal to 3600. Overhead expense equal to 100 plus 300, that is 400, and actual CP equal to 3600 plus 400 equal to 4000. Now total he made 330 boxes. So he sell it all the boxes. So selling price equal to 330 into each box price is 14. So now multiply 14 3 ja 42, then 42 2 6 4 means 4620. So tell me obviously profit. So find profit equal to 4620 minus 4000 equal to 620. So profit percentage equal to 620 by CP, that is 400,000 into 100. 00 cancel, 00 cancel, 2 ja 2 3 ja 2 1 ja 31 by 2, that is 15.5% or 15 whole 1 by 2%. Okay. Next question. Okay, this is linear equation. So how to solve? Now first same question, repeat question. X plus 2 by 6 minus, take LCM as 12, 3 4 44 minus 4x. Okay, question number already करिछि, चेक कर दबो से वीडियो रे. minus 3 equal to 3x minus 14 by 12. Now again LCM 12, 6 2 means 2x plus 4 minus sign change, that is 44. Here is plus 4x minus plus 3 equal to 3x minus 14 by 12. Now 12 cancel, 2x 4x 6x 4 3 7 minus 37 equal to 3x minus 14, 6x minus 3x minus 14 plus 37, that is 3. Here is 3 minus 2, 23. So 3x. So x equal to 23 by 3. Okay. So check कर दे ठीक है. X plus 2 by 6, first LCM 3 4 ja 4 44 4 4x and 4 3 3. Okay. Then take again LCM 2 2 2 ja 4 2x, then minus 44 plus minus minus 4x plus minus plus 3 by 12, then take 3x minus 14, then now 12 cancel, 2x plus 4x 6x 4 3 7 minus 44. Okay, 44 7 4 7 3. Okay, correct. Minus 37. Okay, correct. So answer is 23 by 3. Next question. A piggy bank contains 370 rupees. Okay, so let write down number of 10 rupee note is 1 more than the 50 rupee note. So let number of 50 rupees note be x. So tell me number of 10 rupee note be 1 more than, means x plus 1. So now according to questions we can write total value is given, that is 370 rupees, yes or no. So tell me the 50 rupee value, total number is x, we multiply with value, that is 50, plus total number of 10 rupees x plus 1 and value is 10. Okay, because you multiply value, because we write right side is value, that's why you multiply in value in left sides. So x, that is 50x plus 10x plus 10 equal to 370. So 60x equal to 370 minus 10, that is 360. So x equal to 360 by 60, that is 6. So tell me, find the number of the note of the each type. The first one is 6, second one is 7. Okay, so check out. तो 6 होची 50 वाला नोट, तो 6 into 50, that is 6 5 जा 30 mean 300, and 7 होची 10 रुपी वाला, 7 into 10, that is 70 रुपी. So 300 plus 70, that is 370. Yes, correct. Next question. बहुत स्पीड करछि. Okay. In the given figure, ए क्वेश्चन भी ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर देछि, तुम चेक कर दो, मैं आउथरे करूनी. ओके, एटा होमवर्क. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन केमती सॉल्व करिवो जानछो. फर्स्ट केम करिवो ना, फर्स्ट यू फाइंड दिस एंगल बाय द exterior angle property. This is 75 minus 40, 35. We should prove B, E and C. So where is B? This and this will be proved, means this angle must be equal to this angle. Now we find this angle. So tell me this 40, it is 40 means this angle are equal. So 40, 180 minus 40, 140. So 140 by 2 means this is 70 and this is 70. So 70 75, this is 35. Now proved. Okay, मु करछि, चेक कर दबो प्रीवियस वीडियो रे. सो लिंक अछि डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स रे. इन द गिवन फिगर completed. So all the questions are complete. So केते स्कोर करिवो, आंसर देख साला परे केते स्कोर कलो कमेंट रिप्लाई करो. ओके, एक्सपेक्टेड स्कोर को कमेंट रिप्लाई करो. जदि पीडीएफ चाहूँ जो डाउनलोड करिया पई, देन व्हाट्सएप और टेलीग्राम ग्रुप रे जॉइन हो जाओ, देन पीडीएफ पाई जिवो. किछि डाउट्स जदि किछि प्रॉब्लम अछि कमेंट करो. थैंक यू.